Hello, Sir Roland. Kumusta po? Redmond Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin sir yung unit na order nyo. The Glock 17 Gen 4 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Ayan sir, Gen 4. Okay. Ayan sir. Okay. So, ito sir yung magazine. Okay. Nilagyan ko na siya ng 6 na bala and nilagyan ko na rin siya ng gas. Okay. So ito sir. Always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at a safe direction. Okay? Inserting the magazine. Okay? So turning on the chronograph. Ayan sir. 0-0 yan. Okay? So ito. Tutok na natin. Ika lang. As usual, medyo malakas. Tahimik kasi dito sa room, kaya sa unit, kaya malakas. 366.4 354.3 350.7 344.3. Okay, kaya na ba? Puto ko na ng dalawa to. 342.5 334.3. Okay, so ayan sir. Open chamber, no more BB. Removing the magazine. Blowback niya, okay naman. Malakas naman, no? Snappy. Okay, so pulling back the slide and hammer down. Okay? So, yun sir, okay na tong unit nyo. So, pwede ko na siya i-pack and then padala siya sa inyo. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.